going to do uneven push-ups. I personally am going to do these on my knees due to a wrist issue, but if you can do them on your regular push-up format, then you are a true killer. So, I'm going to come back over here. Push-up position. Like I said, I'm going to stay on my knees for my wrist. Stagger your hands so they're uneven, like the name. Push up, push up, switch, 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 switch. Like I said, if you can do these in regular push-up position, you are a true badass.
Single arm plank press. Pendulum row.
This arm move is called serving bicep curls, and you're basically going to be serving your biceps. So you're going to grab your weights, medium to light, keep your shoulders back, elbows in nice and tight, and you're going to serve and come back. Serve and back. Serve and back. Serve and back. I know these look simple, but trust me, they are not. Now we're going to do a bent over lateral raise. Yay.
Work, grind, fly.